Hey everybody, Mike from 1A Auto. 2015 Chevy Silverado, same as the GMC Sierra. Going to show you how to install one of our tonneau covers from 1AAuto.com. So we've got our items out of our box, directions, our corners and our wrench, our 6 clamps, our cover and rails. We're just going to unwrap everything and make sure nothing's damaged. So we've got everything unwrapped. You can see these are our front and rear rails, and then you've got the 3 support bows, rear, middle, and front, and then the 2 side rails are the same for each side. So now we're going to set everything up on the truck. Just put the support rails inside for now. Hardware and the directions can go inside. Okay, these are your corners. You have 2 of the large radius corner and 2 of the short radius. These go at the front, these 2 go at the rear. Make sure that's loose. Slide it in, and then slide it in here. And then tighten up these thumb screws. Make sure it's nice and tight. And same thing at the front. Insert and insert. Hold it together. Tighten the thumb screw. And then you'll need a Phillips screwdriver because of the clearance to tighten up this screw. And the other side. Once we have the frame on and preliminarily aligned, we're going to put the clamps on, loosen them way up, put them down in, and you just want to make sure you don't put them on these notches here, because that's where the bows go. You put them in, make sure that the little groove goes right over this tongue, and then just hand tighten them for right now, and then we'll move things around and tighten them up after we get it all aligned. I like to tighten it up. You don't have to get them too tight, but kind of with the short end, make sure that these little teeth are down on the side of the truck, and then another half a turn. Install your 3 bows. I'm starting in the back here, R for rear. Put it in the notch on that side, then bring it forward and slide it back into the notch there, and repeat for the other 2. Now with our cover, the clips here go on the front of the truck, so we're going to unclip it and unroll it. Make sure these straps go down into the truck, and you just start clipping. There's just little round clips that go right into the rail. Start a few. Okay, just kind of lay it out side to side and kind of start here in the middle. Get this side one here. Do the front first, and then we'll get out of the truck and do the rest of the sides. Okay, and you can see these are, see the snaps are round. Just bring it like that. Do the first few. positioning the cover. Even after you snap them, you can still pull on them. So I'm just going to snap a few, kind of get it in place. It does help on these if it's really tight. Take it out in the sun. That'll let the cover expand some, and sometimes can make it easier. And sometimes these back ones, this bar will flex some. Pull back, snap it down on. Okay, and if it is difficult, just pull. You can pull just like that. Let it down. Yeah, and we did find, and this could happen in shipping, one of these buttons is turned 90 degrees. If it happens, pair of pliers, just carefully spin it and lock everything. Okay, and this cover obviously is designed for you to be able to just open your tailgate and shut it. If you did need to use your entire bed, just carefully unsnap it. And I do recommend pulling at each button. And then you can remove your rear frame rail by loosening that inside thumb screw and this inside thumb screw. Pull the rear off. Pull your bows out. Make sure you secure the tonneau cover. You don't want it blowing away on the highway. And now you have full use of the bed of your truck. Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.